Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make sure the phone app is updated to the newest build so settings match what you see. Backup or enable cloud sync. This protects logs if something goes wrong. Next, open the phone app and go straight to the Calls or History tab. You need the list visible. Once done, scan for the specific entry or group you want to change and tap the three-dot menu or long press a call to reveal edit options. This kicks off the change process. You now perform the central edits. Select one call or multiple calls using long press or the checkbox controls. Choose Edit or Merge from the contextual menu to adjust details. You can relink the call to a contact, correct the timestamp, or change the call type. If the update supports labels or privacy flags, set those to control visibility. Make sure to review changes in the preview. This prevents accidental deletions. Finish by saving your edits. Tap Save or Apply and watch the call list refresh so you can verify the change visually. If you use Cloud Sync, make sure it completes and then check the call log on any paired device to confirm consistency. If the change doesn't appear, try clearing the app cache, force stopping and reopening the app, or reinstalling. If needed, restore the backed up log. One key troubleshooting tip. Always have a recent backup before large edits to avoid irreversible loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.